rub off done on this saw. Got the original recoil back on, and the rope is about 510 feet long. Now that's a lot longer rope. Now I'm not going to be worrying about having jerking all over the place when it kickbacks on you where it won't hurt your leg. I might do the same thing to the MS-250 to put the same rope, to buy me an extra rope for that thing to put this in there too. Make it that same length as the rope on this saw. I'm very happy with that. But I like longer ropes in them better, just like on the weed eaters. Now I can definitely keep using it. Here's all the wood I just chopped up yesterday with that thing. I put the original muffler back on it because it'll keep sparks from coming out of the piston and catch any leaves on fire. Now I can definitely get a new bar and chain for this thing, replace this and throw this old bar away and use the same chain on the new bar and use the other chain that's spare just in case. Well, there it is. The original recoil is back on the 62-100 Extreme Power. Extreme Power. Thank y'all for watching. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about the idea on these ropes. And leave a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye for